time to get those Google Forms created. So using Google Forms for your virtual parties is the best way that I'm aware of to collect information from your customers, whether they purchase or not. Consider this like a database catch-all. It's your opportunity to collect data and information from women that maybe aren't going to shop with you. So the cool thing about that is that you can add them later into the COO so that you can send out emails, you can send out texts, and basically you can continue to connect and reach out to the women. Otherwise, you're really only collecting data from women that are shopping, but you never know when someone who is interested in the party might have the money or the desire to shop with you. So we want to make sure we get their info. So the easiest way to access Google Forms is just in Google, go ahead and type in Google Forms. Oops. Then personal. And if you're logged in to your Gmail, all of your Google Forms are going to pop up right in here. So to create a new Google form, you just click blank. And you have all sorts of different options. So you can put in a title, a description, and then also your questions. It will, based on your question, so let's say we say first and last name, it's going to default to short answer text. You can make this a required question. You can delete the question. To add a new question, you just hit the little plus button and you can move right on to the next one. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the virtual party and I'm going to open the example Google form that we have for you. And the cool thing about that is you can go ahead and just copy and paste the questions to create your own Google form. So we have our title. We're going to make this her party. Select the description, paste that, and then you'll notice that there's a picture here. So we're going to copy that. Come on over here, we're going to hit the plus button and we are going to hit the add image. We're going to browse and find her events cover photo. Paste the title and next. Now to just scoot that up, hit the little 6 dots and it allows you to shuffle, put that there next. Okay, we have first and last name. Facebook name, if different. We all know people have some weird ass Facebook names, required. And you just continue to go through and copy and paste. To create these questions that have multiple choice, you can put in option 1, add option for option 2, add option for option 3. And not that you need to do this, but it's fun to know, you can actually add images to each of your additional options as well. So maybe you wanted to put something in here like, would you be interested in the business? If so, which kit would you be interested in purchasing? You could have a picture of the premium kit, deluxe kit, and the standard kit actually in your Google form. Now let's talk about how we make it pretty. So up in the top corner, we can customize the theme. You can actually choose an image for your header, and then you can also change the background color. So we're going to change the theme color to pink and click add, and then that will automatically give you all sorts of different color options. So that is how you make the form. Now it's time to talk about how you actually share the form. So preview is just going to show you what this actually looks like to your guests. To share it, you are going to click send. And if you click on the link icon, you can shorten the URL, and there is your Google form link that you can use for this party. So just copy that and it is ready to be pasted into your event. It is ready to be pasted wherever it is that you want to put it so that you can easily find it. Now it's automatically being saved for me and you can rename it. If you just click on it, it'll default to the title and it is ready to go. When you go back to your main Google Forms page and refresh it, there it is, ready to go. Now, when you want to actually collect your information from the Google form, what you want to do is click on it and go to responses. And the responses will give you all of the people who've responded. You also have the option, if you click the little 3 dots, to download, to print. So I think that it's pretty cool that you have control over all of the data that you have been collecting. Now on your phone, you're going to do exactly the same thing. Go to your web browser and go to Google, type in Google Forms. Go to Google Forms, and it will actually default to a new form. So what you can do from here is put in your title, just like we did before. You can hit the little plus button to add a question. You can hit the little image button to add an image and upload that. So you still have all of exactly the same options. So we're just going to title this guy Virtual Party. You have the ability to still change the theme color, to choose an image just as we did on the computer. Click Insert. You can change the theme color. So find some pink. Add. Apply. There we go. All right. Now to share this, it is the little arrow button. And back to the link, shorten URL, copy. So once you have all of your questions in there, it is ready to send. Now, if you would like to see your older virtual party forms, or if you wanted to go to another one, if you click on the little form, it will take you to My Drive. If you click on the little 3 lines and go to Recent, you can see your most recent form. So there's actually the one that I just created online. The other cool thing is that whether you're on a phone or on a computer, if you click the link to the Google form, it'll pop up as though you are a guest, and then you will have the option of this little pencil down in the bottom corner, which will allow you to go straight to the responses. So if you wanted to see responses from Azure's Pure Romance Party, you could just go into Azure's Pure Romance Party, click the link, hit the little pencil in the corner, and go straight to responses. So I hope that that helps you create your Google Forms so that you can collect as much information from your customers as possible, whether you are working from your phone or a computer.